It's your boy Southern Smoke back at it again today. So today I'm about to do something way out of my unordinary what I usually would do. So I got some dessert. I picked up some fresh peaches from the market, and guess what I'm making? Peach cobbler. Yeah, it's about to go down, and I got some eggnog to go with it. So it's about to be a good night. And getting ready. Hey, y'all, I'm bringing these holiday dishes desserts for you guys. So along with the peaches, I got about 6 peaches, about 3 pounds worth. I got a cup and a half of milk. Ice bath for when I take the peaches out and let them cool. I got a cup and a half of flour, and we're gonna need 2 cups of recipe, 2 cups of sugar for the recipe. And be sure when you get the flour, you want to get the one that says self-rising flour. If not, you have to be adding baking powder and salt and all that stuff. And I don't like doing that. So first, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna start letting the peaches come to a slight boil. Then we're gonna put them in then we're gonna start making our dough while waiting for the peaches to boil. 1.5 cups of flour. So we're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of sugar. This is that 1 cup of sugar that one of the cups of sugar you're gonna need for this recipe. Don't be scared to put a nice cup of sugar in there. So we wanna ensure all the ingredients is mixed up. The flour and the sugar is all mixed up together because we don't want no lumps coming in there once we add this milk. Because you know that sugar can have some lumps in there, so we'll get it all mixed up. So we're gonna add a 1/2 cup in just to start it off, but we don't want to put too much in. Let's add in another 1/2 cup. This is a way it's not as messy as rolling out all that dough and everything. This is the method that my grandma taught me years ago. Let's add the other 1/2 cup of milk. We want to ensure it's mixed up really good. We don't want any lumps in there. Okay, let's go over and check on our peaches. So the reason why we boil our peaches, we're not gonna boil them too much. We want it so that peel can come off easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the ice bath. Okay, so this is that one other cup of sugar that I was telling you that you need. So don't be scared to put a huff of sugar in, a whole cup, not a small skimpy cup. No. And we're gonna go over there and cut this on low for about 20 minutes on the stove. Okay. So I have some melted butter in the bottom of the Pyrex glass. I just put it in the oven and heated it up, preheated it up. So now I'm just gonna pour my dough all in the bowl. And we just go place our peaches in different spots. And that dough, since we got that self-rise, it's just gonna rise up over top of these peaches. You're gonna see how pretty it comes out. Me personally, I like to put a little cinnamon over top of mine. And let's put it in the oven. You hear the oven just preheated. So we're gonna let it bake for 45 minutes till it's nice and firm. Well, 45 minutes later, let's go ahead and check on that. Take our cobbler out. Look at that nice, pretty brown crust. This looks, whoo, I can just smell it. And then that cinnamon just really mixing in with that crust and them peaches. I can't wait to dig into this, man. Hey, but this is a really simple recipe. It's probably most of the ingredients I'm pretty sure you got laying around at home. Self-rising flour, sugar, and milk. Only thing you need to go to the store is to get is the peaches, and you can make this excellent dessert for you. And if you're new here to checking out my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, though. Peace out, you guys.